Oh, thank you for cleaning the stove. Did you clean it? Well, what's the dishes yesterday? I'm barbecuing my eggplant on the stove. Look. This eggplant. This is how you do it. Sinugbang eggplant. Ganyan ako magsugba ng eggplant. Kasi wala naman akong sugbahan. Daddy, look.